Kamusta yung Bia? Kunin naman. Gina. Gusto sa ano Pause ako na pause. So, ano gawin niyo siya? Umiilisip lang naman ako ron eh. So game may ako ano yung mga itatanong na about fitness lang. Fitness lang. Nandiyo ba ako yun eh? May TikTok si Z. Meron na. Yun lang, sa kanya mo yung tanong sa ano yun, sa account yun mismo. Wala siya ngayon dito eh. Oo nga, nag-workout ako para lumit naman. Wala kang abs oh. Wala kang abs. Recognition is what you want, and it's something that I should know. Hello, Jerry. Ano ang workout ko para lumit sa ano? Ito, ginagawa ko yan. Slightly cardio. Kahit mga 20 to 30 minutes din. Ano? Abdominals. Tapos proper diet. Bayaw ko. Hindi ko alam yan. Nagsasabi ko. Nasa outing ako nun eh. Hindi ko naman alam kung ano yun. Double bicep. Double bicep ko. Nagka-cardio nga yung tao. Kumaya na may magpang-tennis na pagtapos ko yung tao. Pause ako yun. Diba, ano, may sakit kasi ako guys. Pero no, confident ko. Magre-relive ako guys. Di ako nakalimutan ko mag-audience control. Bye-bye guys. Shoutout sa ano, sa 7 viewers. Lang sa bicycle. Next ako, just now. Yeah, what's up guys? Sorry. Babalik ulit. Sorry, tumawag lang kanina. Hindi ako nakapagod. Ayun yung sa ano, currently post ko.
Funny, it smells so good when you still hug me. If I got locked up since the still quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? Dropping back to a rookie from a band, and disappear. Like some of my friends, if I was thinking I was hurt, you'd be by my side. If it was time to put it over, you'd be down the ride.
Di pa ako nakapag-play.
I'm at where's the thought trying to hide you inside. If I ain't back, I flip further to both feet. Would you be the same to your friends you feel me? And if it for you, no love, would you like that? If I wrote you a love,
Thank you sir sa
we can have a little drink,
pag-share ng
like that.
like
Like that, like that. Girl, if you could love me now, would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl? If you could love me now, would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? You know what you're doing every call, fire was better. Do you believe me when I tell you, you wanna love me? Are you mad cause I'm asking you 21 questions that you my soulmate? Cause if so, you're in your blessing. Do you trust me enough to tell me your dreams? Staring at you trying to figure how you got through dreams. If I was down, you see things to make me smile. Teach you how you wanna be treated, just teach me how. If I was with some other chick, so I'm happy to see. And when you asked me about it, I said it wouldn't be. But you believe me or believe me? How deep is our bond if that's what it takes for you to be gone? We only humans, girl, we make mistakes. To make it up, I do whatever it takes. I love you like a fat kid love cake. You know my style, I say anything to make you smile.
Okay.
Girl, if you could love me now,
Hindi na lang.
would you love me if I was down and out? Would you
Hello.
still have love for me, girl?
Hello Z. Welcome ulit sa live.
Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl?
Ito ang pre, nagkano.
Ha?
Tapos ko lang.
Kunin ko?
Kukunin mo. Kukunin mo. Wait lang. Ilan na lang ako. 5 minutes na lang pre.
Tawag na mo.
Oo pre, nagkakasya ako pre.
Kunin ko na. Abutin mo lang, Ben.
Ganun lang. Kunin pa. Sumisilip lang ako sa ano. Kay C. Sumisilip lang ako. Pero hindi ako nagdadalo. Wala akong app nun eh. Wala akong account na yun eh. Di Telegram nga, wala eh. Oo nga, sumisilip lang ako. Wala nga, ang kulit. Kahit pumunta ka pa rito, papakita ko sa'yo, papahalugin ko sa'yo yung cellphone mo. Binibigyan kita ng authority na halugin mo yung cellphone mo. Brad, ang build ko, main body. Nasa labahan yung ano ko eh, mga Calvin Klein ko eh. Bench body mo na tayo. May TikTok ba yung isang yung tropa ko? Meron yun. Wala lang siya ngayon eh, parang kaya hindi niya may pakita. Busy. Ako ngayon 2 weeks break sa college ko. Kaya Babalik ako guys mamaya. Mag-end ako mamaya. Later. Ngayon, mag-end ako ng after ko dito. Hindi kukunin lang ako. Tawag ng tawag yung ano eh. Yung kaibigan eh. Kukunin ko yung kahit. Pagbalik ko rito, simula na ako sa chess market. Ang program ko kasi din ano eh. Chess riser. Bukas back bicep ako program. Bali na naka-CrossFit ako ngayon. Then sa Wednesday ko, magle-legs, abs, tsaka shoulder naman ako. Pero bala ko kasi shoulder, back bukas eh. Yun ang bala ko bukas eh. Siguro mag-shoulder back na bala ko. Para bicep na lang yun. Small muscle na lang. Pwede nyo ako i-DM kung sa mga mag-start na ano dyan na sa fitness journey nila, pwede nyo ako i-DM dyan kung ano yung program na dapat nilang sundin para magbibigay ako. Ang beginner side. Tulungan ko kayo guys sa inyong journey. Mga 2 minutes na lang ako dito guys. Minute na lang guys. 7:21 mag-end po. Tapos next, mag-live ulit ako. Pagbalik ko rin lang. Uwi lang ako saglit.
Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Hey, I love you in call me on my cell phone. Hey, I love you in
Show solo na po. Sorry, I don't understand you. I don't really understand you. Can you translate your comment into English so we both understand each other and we can communicate it properly? That's it. Thank you, Johan. Welcome to live. Okay guys, mag-end muna ako saglit. Pagbalik ko rito, magla-live ulit ako. Pakita ko sa inyo ang aking new workout sa chest. Dami pang kailangan nito. Guys, thank you for watching guys. Balik na lang kayo mamaya. Magla-live ako.